Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hello. Good morning, Ma'am Joy. Gusto ko lang bumati sa kaarawan mo. Happy birthday. Sana yung maging masaya ka sa kaarawan mong ito. Enjoy mo lang ang araw na ito. Happy birthday, Ma'am Joy. More birthdays to come. Enjoy. I love you.
Hello, Ma'am Joy. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best in your life. Good health. More years to celebrate. And more blessings to come. God bless you.
Good evening to everyone. Just babati lang po ako kay Ma'am Joy. Happy birthday, Ma'am Joy. At sana maging masaya ka sa araw ng iyong kaarawan. At lagi ka namin pinagdarasal. Sana marami pang birthday ang dumating sa iyo. At lagi mag-iingat. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Happy birthday again. Happy birthday. And God bless. Thank you. Bye. Hello, Ma'am Joy. Binabati po kita ng happy birthday. Sana po marami pang birthday dumating sa iyo. At wish ko na sana po malusog ka at ligtas sa anumang karamdaman at kapahamakan. God bless po. Happy lang.
Hello. Happy birthday, Ma'am Joy Kakal. Wishing you more birthdays to come. Sana maging happy ka ngayong birthday mo. Again, happy birthday. God bless.
Hi, Ma'am Joy. Happy birthday. Wish ko lang sa'yo more birthdays to come. Good health at more blessing. At sana maging maligaya ka sa kaarawan mo. Kahit wala man lang kami may regalo ng mga grupo natin. Mahal ka namin, Ma'am Joy. Hanggat nandiyan ka, andito rin kami. Kaya, happy birthday, Ma'am Joy. We love you.
Hello, Ma'am Joy. Happy birthday. Enjoy your special day. I wish you good health, more birthday, and blessings to come. I love you.
Good evening, Sis Joy. Happy birthday. Some more birthdays to come. And good luck. Mag-ingat ka lagi. Happy birthday and God bless you. Bye.
Hello, good morning. Ngayong araw na to ay may babatiin po tayo. Ngayon po siya magse-celebrate ng kanyang birthday. Happy birthday, Joy. Ingat ka palagi dyan, ha. Lalong-lalo na malayo ka sa pamilya mo. Isipin mo na sa malayo ka, kaya ingatan mo ang sarili mo dyan. I love you and happy birthday again.